Rushenden road level crossing, or abandoned level crossing in Kent. I tried to go to Ritham Dock. The road was closed, so that wasn't possible. Or could call this Whiteway gates. Yeah, so Ritham Dock level crossing is road closed. Or the way to road is closed, so can't go there. So I might as well go here. Still road. Rushenden road crossing. Contact by phone. I can't. I can read it, but it's just hard. St Andrew Cross. So rails used to go through there. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but it's very rusty. Rails run across the road. Buck. So across them. So through here, this is where the rails used to run. We refurbished all of this. So yeah. So I think you can do it on the tracks now, really. I'm going to explore. So the railway was disused, I think in 2012 or 2013. I can't remember. I wish there was a pause button on this camera. Oh. Actually, that's really far away. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do it later. So I'm not going to go there because I think it'll be very hard. So I don't feel like walking. Actually, yeah, might as well. Oh, it's getting sunny. Appears to be a piper over there. Sneak peek, actually. Oh wait. Oh god. So, I think I'm still on a public footpath. What is this? It's concrete. They're very delicate at the same time, but really hard. Oh. So, I'm not gonna go beyond that. Or you can. It's publicly accessible. Actually, you know, since it is, I might as well do it. So, actually, no, I'm not. I'm very lazy today, so yeah, it's public, but from far, so might as well go back and see what this is. Oh no, hang on. So the rails would then go through here, I think. And then it'll go through, yeah, I can see the rails. And then it'll go through there. Well, I can't go through that. Yeah, this is the rails. That's just smoking. That's dent. Oh look, more remains. More remains of the track. Start at one. Sort of. Oh my god. Oh. What is this? Oh, I have no idea. I'm not sure what this is for. So this is just a separate part. So the tracks went from here to there, not there, there. Oh god, broke my ankle. I'm turning back to the crossing. So I can reach the Ridham dock because the road was closed. So next time when I come around Iwade and the Isle of Sheppey, I'll make sure to visit Ridham Dock crossing later. Not sure what these means. Probably not even part of this. I randomly hear very high pitched 158. It's just a whistle. Yep. This is the crossing. Finally reached it.